Alright folks, this is my Takegawa build. What I did was I got my trusted mechanics to put in a few little goodies inside the engine. So right now it's not a standard Z125 anymore. It's basically a little bit done up, a little bit more power than normal. It has a Takegawa 138cc piston kit. It has race cam as well. Put an oil cooler. Yeah, so a few other things. I sent it for dyno tuning, and it has a good exhaust that I got from Japan as well. The Beams racing exhaust. Not too loud, but not too quiet. Just nice, I think. Sometimes I don't really like really super loud exhaust. So I would say that it is. I'm pretty happy with the build for now. It's not, it's not a higher booster fast, but I would say that it is respectable for what it is, which is it is a Z125. And I'm gonna fire it up a little bit for you here. So what I do is I bring it to the track, every once in a while, and it can hold its own against the T50s. I mean, it won't really break any records, but I'm pretty sure it is. It's a lot faster than a stock standard Z125. So as you can see, it revs up a little bit better. Obviously there's a lot more things I can do, but I think this is a good start. So the point is, should I make an onboard video of me riding on a track with this little thing? Let me know. If you guys want to see how it runs on a track, let me know and I'll make a video. Otherwise, if nobody's interested, well, that's okay. I'm good. I'm happy with this anyway.